Now I will show you how to create new artboards. Like first you have one document, and in same document how you can create more artboards, okay, and how you can create duplicate artboards, and how you can delete artboard. Okay. Slow, you know, sometime. See, like this one, create. See, one artboard. If you select this tool, Artboard tool, then click here, new artboard. So you can create like this new artboard. Now we have two artboard. If you want to like, if you write something here, like for example, if you have content in this artboard, okay, then you want to make duplicate artboard. So click window and then click artboards. Open this one. Now there are two artboards. So second artboard, select, click here and make duplicate artboards. Okay. If you click here and click delete empty artboard, so it will automatically delete. See, the first artboard is not now there. Okay. Command Z for undo. If you want to delete this specific artboard, select this. Okay, and then click here, this one, delete. So it will delete. The content will not delete. So content by select you can delete. You can also select Artboard tool and you can change the position of Artboard. For example, if your artboard is horizontal or vertical, sorry, orientation is portrait, you want to change it to landscape, so you can change, like as I change from landscape to portrait. And if your artboard is portrait, so you can also change to landscape. Or you can apply a specific, like this one A4 or B5, like this is B5. So
B5.
this is dimension of paper. Like for iPad, it's like this.
So where are you getting it?
In Artboard tool. In Artboard tool in presets. Now you want to change to this. See A3. This is A3. This one now you can move it. Okay. So Artboard tool and window Artboards.
So when you change this A3 size, and if you come here to this 50% and make it 100%, it will appear with normal size.
You can select this and click Control 0 or Command 0 in Mac. So it's normal size. I mean to fit in window.
So if you open like 2-3 artboard and work on it, you can print them. Any artboard that you want to print, or you print this will come separate, this will come separate, not that all this will print.
We can print individual also. We can save also, like export as. See, use artboards. All or range. So you want to save only 2, you can select, or all, so it will save 1 and 2 as well.
Okay, so I mean, if from here, if you want to print direct, you say print, or just artboard will come on printing.
No, you can send this one also to print. Printer is not attached now.
I mean, sir, as just 2. Okay.
Yes, see, artboard alls or range. Like which artboard you want to print. Okay, you can. Okay.